People say hello, I'm Tom McKean from Glenolg. Tom McKean, Tom McKean, Tom McKean, Tom McKean. I'm the finest looking man you have seen. Wherever I go, the people say hello, I'm Tom McKean from Glenolg.
Grousebeaters were formed about 4 or 5 years ago, and most of these boys never played out in public before. They only played in the farmhouse or in the village, the local villages, so it's made leaps and bounds since then. The enjoyment it brings to folks, unbelievable.
I play my accordion from Larne to Cushendall, and I'm as happy as can be. Tom McKean, Tom McKean, Tom McKean, Tom McKean. I'm the finest looking man you have seen.
The song that we're doing is called for Tom McKean. Tom McKean was just a character, and he still is, and it was Cecil, the folk singer in the band, decided that he would like to dedicate a wee song to Tom. And as you listen to the wee song, you'll hear about Tom's life and him dancing on the table, which he did. Many a time I've seen him dancing on the table.
When I go out at night, I'm such a pretty sight. I play all the tunes while I'm able, and when the night is through and I have had a few, I end up dancing on the table. Tom McKean, Tom McKean, Tom McKean, Tom McKean.
Tom's not so well now, but he still does well. He still plays with the band, and we just love Tom. He's such a character, and wherever the band goes, Tom goes.